Hello guys, welcome to Shiksha Dwar. I step for learning. You are going to learn with Akash Pandey in online classes.
Hello everyone, this is Akash Pandey with online English classes. Now today I am with the first poem of the syllabus of class 9 UP board. At first I want to tell you one thing, why I selected this poem for video. Of course it is the first poem of the syllabus, but there is another reason behind it, and that's so necessary to know it. It has a deep touch with the message of the poem as we are fighting against COVID-19 with our prescribed limitations, discipline and duties. In this pandemic, everyone is facing those challenges and misery which he never assumed in his life. Now today I am trying to attach the present poem The Mountain and the Squirrel to the situation of the society. This poem tells us the importance of relations, things that is small or big, and the network of society. Our society is such a network that joins us to all the things of the universe which we never try to feel in an easy way. Each and everything in this world is equally important and it plays a great supporting role in our life to drive it easily. So now we come to the main point of the poem described by the famous American poet Ralph Waldo Emerson. This poem is a dialogue between a mountain and a squirrel. They have an argument because the mountain feels as though it is more important. The huge mountain is proud of its big size and it boasts of its towering bigness and looks down upon the squirrel as little prick. Here the poet tried to bring this fact that everything created by God is unique and holds its own importance. With the help of the squirrel, he puts some reasons over the necessity of the things that is weak or strong have the importance alike in the universe to be completed as a whole. There is a meaningful place for everything big or small and it has been created with a purpose. The squirrel justifies its own existence and says that everything in the universe has a definite place and its own utility. Nothing is superior or inferior. The poet expresses that if a squirrel is unable to carry a huge forest on its back as it is very small, then the mountain cannot crack a nut in spite of being so huge. Here it means in God's creation, each individual has its significance and distinct place irrespective of its size. Everything has its own value and use that's so necessary to maintain the balance of the universe. So now we are going to describe Hindi of the whole central idea in brief. The poet tries to bring this fact that everything created by God is unique and holds its own importance. The poet tries to bring this fact. इस फैक्ट को ब्रिंग करने का प्रयास करता है, दिखाने का प्रयास करता है that everything created by God, कि हर एक चीज़ जो कि भगवान के द्वारा बनाई गई है यूनिक है and holds its own importance, और इसका अपना खुद का एक महत्व होता है. There is a meaningful place for everything big small. A meaningful place there is. हर एक चीज़ का अपना एक अर्थपूर्ण स्थान है for everything. हर एक चीज़ के लिए, फिर वो चाहे बड़ी हो या छोटी. It has been created with a purpose. हर एक चीज़ क्रिएट की गई है with a purpose, एक उद्देश्य के साथ. If a squirrel, यदि a squirrel एक गिलहरी is unable, असमर्थ है to carry, ढोने में, वहन करने में, huge forest, एक विशाल जंगल, on its back, अपनी पीठ पर, as it is very small, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही छोटी है. Then the mountain cannot, तो माउंटेन भी, पर्वत भी cannot crack, क्रैक नहीं कर सकता, तोड़ नहीं सकता a nut, एक भी अखरोट in spite of, के बावजूद, being so huge, बहुत ही विशाल होने के बावजूद भी एक भी अखरोट तोड़ नहीं सकता. So let's have the whole central idea in brief. The Mountain and the Squirrel कविता में पर्वत और गिलहरी के बीच वार्तालाप के माध्यम से एक संदेश दर्शाया गया है जिसमें कवि समझाने का प्रयत्न करता है भगवान की बनाई हुई चीज़ अनोखी एवं अद्भुत है और साथ ही साथ इसकी अपनी अलग महत्व है. यहाँ कवि पर्वत और गिलहरी की अलग अलग विशेषताओं पर प्रकाश डालता है. पर्वत जो कि अत्यंत विशाल है परंतु उसे अपनी विशालता, अपने आकार पर बहुत ही गर्व है. और वह गिलहरी को एक छोटा सा तुच्छ प्राणी, तुच्छ जीव कहकर संबोधित करता है। कवि स्पष्ट करता है कि हर किसी का एक महत्वपूर्ण उपयोगी स्थान होता है, चाहे वह छोटा हो या बड़ा, और उसका सृजन, निर्माण यानी उसकी उत्पत्ति किसी उद्देश्य से की गई है। अर्थात ब्रह्मांड में उपस्थित हर एक छोटी बड़ी चीज़ का इस ब्रह्मांड के निर्माण में तथा इसके संतुलन को बनाए रखने में योगदान है। किसी भी वस्तु की अनुपस्थिति, भले ही वह छोटी हो या बड़ी, अपना विशेष महत्व रखती है। छोटी गिलहरी अपने जीवन का औचित्य उद्देश्य बताती है। वह पर्वत से कहती है, यदि गिलहरी अपनी पीठ पर एक बड़ा सा जंगल नहीं उठा सकती, तो एक पर्वत इतना बड़ा होने के बावजूद भी एक छोटा सा अखरोट नहीं तोड़ सकता। प्रयुक्त कथन की बड़ी ही सुंदर छवि हिंदी की एक सुप्रसिद्ध कहावत में स्पष्ट होती है, जिसमें कहा गया है, जहाँ सुई को अपना काम करना है वहाँ तलवार की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं। इसी के विपरीत जहाँ तलवार का काम है वहाँ सुई के प्रयोग से कोई लाभ नहीं। यह संसार छोटी बड़ी विभिन्न वस्तुओं से बना है और सभी अपनी अपनी भूमिका का निर्वहन करते हैं, इसलिए किसी की भी अवहेलना नहीं की जा सकती है। So here we see through his poem, the poet wants to tell us that in this world nothing is high or low. Even the smallest of things has its own role. And this message is conveyed through a conversation between the mountain and the squirrel. The small squirrel justifies its existence and humbly replies to the mountain, who has the proud of its big size. The squirrel reveals the universal truth behind this sparkling cosmos, that the whole world is made of various things, small or big, weak or strong, rich or poor. All have different qualities and all play a definite role. This way, none of them can be condemned or underrated. Everything is essential in its own way and justify its importance. Nobody is perfect and nobody is useless. I am really very thankful to the poet for the poem and the team members who put this poem in the starting of the syllabus, so that the students may make their mind to have the way of equality and respect to others. Just as we know why in the colleges the students are given the same uniform, so none can feel inferior or superior to others. As in this pandemic, we are with everyone with our potential and resources. Our contribution may be small or big, but it has its own place, its own role. Thanks for watching the video.
Hit that like button and don't forget to share the video. Also subscribe to Shiksha Dwar YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update.